Model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L3H2 needs oil pump engine body, white, panel van mileage, 116214 MOT, the 30th of January 2025 engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a top-end rattle. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Oil light on the dash. We suspect the oil pump has failed, hence the slightly noisy top-end bottom, and sounds good. Oil pump replacement should sort this out. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, air-con, sat-nav, cruise control, 2 keys, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £7,895 plus VAT. Click